Hello, and welcome to the Sound POS training video series. My name is Cesar Rivas. I am the National Sales Executive for Sound POS, and today we're going to be covering the inventory upload. So first of all, let's start off at the reseller web portal. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Get the right address here. So I'll log in as my reseller. This is a demo environment. I go to the store and we're going to use the same store that we created if you saw the previous video. Test store. Okay. Let's do search. Go. We'll log into the store. We're going to be using the upload feature, which can only be activated from the actual store. It cannot be activated from the web portal. So if we look on here, and if I actually go to your catalog on here, I go to products, I cannot import. There's no import button here. Exclusively done at the store level to avoid you uploading the inventory into the wrong store. Okay, so this is where you would actually do your import. There's a template we provide, actually a simple and a complex template. We're going to be using the simple template today. You can actually even look at the simple template with data. All right, so I've already got those filled out for you. But a couple of things before you actually get started in uploading the actual product list. First and foremost, you want to make sure that whatever tax rate you're going to be using as your default already exists. When we created the store a little while ago, when in the previous video, you saw that I actually created the actual tax category for default. All right. So you want to make sure that you have that, because if you do create your file, and let me go ahead and share with you the actual file we're going to be using. All right, we're going to be using an auto parts product file. So see, I've already got a tax category here. So if you create your file to upload and you include a tax category, but it doesn't exist in the store, you're going to get an error message. All right. Same thing also with the printer. I left it blank because we don't have a printer assigned yet to that store. But if you do create a store, and it'll default to the printer anyway, even if you don't assign it here. But if you do assign a printer here, you want to make sure that that printer is installed. All right. Same thing applies to categories. You want to make sure that your categories have already been created. All right. And we, as a matter of fact, provide also a category template you can download. You got an example here. All right. You got a template with the data. All right. So once you've created your tax rate, you've installed your printers. If you are going to use some specific printers for some products, then the first thing you want to do is upload your categories. So like I said, I already have your category file created. Okay. It's actually this one here. So I'll go ahead and choose that. And then I'll tell the system to go ahead and upload my categories. So it tells me that they have been imported successfully. All right. And then I can go ahead and proceed with uploading my products, because now I've got the categories for which the products belong to. All right. So I'll go ahead and go to import here. I'll choose the product file, which again, I'm using this auto parts store products file. All right. Choose that and I'll say yes. And then when it imports, it tells me that it's imported successfully. And then I should have my products listed on here. Okay. So with that, pretty much covers the way in which you upload inventory. Very easy.